new video, new video, new video, new update, no update, new update, new update, new day, new day, new day. What's that? What day is it? It's already August 1st. It's already Thursday? Huh? Have I really been that late to this update? Well, guess I gotta give what the viewers want. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And in today's video, there's a new update. Pause that and read that because I'm not. Apparently, from the teaser, Caves is flooded. So, we're gonna go check out Forest because I see something say calm or something. Yeah, it definitely has a U in it. Anyways, this is the new game mode. It's called Ambush. So we're gonna head into a lobby with Ambush. So let me join my code. And let's get this started. Let's go. Could it start already? What the? Oh my! What? It's like I'm invisible. I don't care if colon 29 SSS is online. It's weird. What is wrong with Forest? The trampoline! It's back! So Forest looks basically the same. Yeah, nothing really changed with Forest. Except for those lanterns. I'm joking. Time to go check out. No! The monkey blocks! Let me out! Let me in! Let me in! Let me in! What is it? Does it still say the monkey blocks will be cleaned up? The monkey blocks have been cleaned up and put in storage for now. Yippee! They're gonna be back. Alright, everyone ready? We're gonna see that. In 3, 2, what am I heading this one? Oh yeah, there's one. 3. Dang, there's another one? 3, 2, 1. Yo, this is the first thing I saw. Oh my. Wait. Oh, is there a new balloon? Yo, there is! Oh my! There's a new balloon? The new fur is sick. Wait. The fur's animated. Yo, this is sick! Yo! My fit about to be fire. Once I get enough shiny rocks. Whoa, why do I look like that? Why does it do that? Wait, could I get outside? I need to find the girl. So I did it. If you hear any voices, it's my brother or my dad. Not that much changed. Let's go check out. Mountains. Okay, nothing so far that changed. Oh, secret tunnel changed. Let's see if I can get into secret tunnel. No, but I got on top of it. Wait, was that grass? No, wait, I swear it was grass. No, that has to be a texture change. That has to be like a texture glitch. There's no way. I mean, it could be because of global warming. But that's cool. But you guys better stay tuned, because later in this video, I'm going to go check out what ambush looks like in a public, see if we are really invisible. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. Once I hit 50 subscribers, I'll suck an egg on live stream. I'll also eat my first ever egg. So yeah, subscribe. Okay, looks like these changed. Rotating. Oh, it's official. Let's go visit the canyon. I'll visit the canyon later. I'll go check this out later. There's some cloud stuff. The graffiti is the same. So let's get. Oh my gosh. Hold on, the new bundle. I haven't checked that out. What? That is sick. It has like goggles and stuff. Doug. I need to find Doug. Ooh, oh, it's still here? I only need $1, dude. I'm gonna get that $1. I'm so sad that the monkey blocks are gone. It said visit the canyon, so I'm gonna go visit the canyon. Okay, nothing bad. This is summer camp. That's, oh my gosh, there's lips. There's lips. Okay. Alright, well, here's time I go see what ambush looks like. What the Are we invisible? Wait, so it's like infection.
Yo, I'm tweaking, bro. Look at my arms, bro. They're tweaking on game.
Hmm,
Can we
interesting.
to the sky? Hello there. And let them know I'm happy.
There's no way we can just ground that pig.
Yes.
Oh, the thrill of the stuff. That was so pathetic. Oh, the thrill of the So this is how ambush looks. What does it look like? Oh, there's one person left to attack. Ooh. So what does this game look like? How do you play this game?
Whoa. It's a floating banjo.
What? Oh, it's a floating banjo. Yo, the banjo.
Oh, no.
The banjo.
Not the banjo.
Not the banjo treatment.
Banjo.
Watch out, guys. The banjo's gonna come.
Banjo. Banjo. Tag anyone you're gay. Shut the hell up.
Wait, who's under here? Down here.
Banjo.
No, wait, I heard someone get the banjo. Someone got the banjo treatment. Oh my god, the banjo. Oh, they got the English and Spanish. No, someone got the banjo treatment.
I'm gonna be floating cheese.
Is that floating cheese? Oh, help me, it's a floating cheese. Please help me, not the cheese.
Oh shit,
Nah, no, the cheese got me.
Bro, that should be a freaking tag. Oh, you're so mean, bro. You have to be so rude.
Okay, so that's what ambush looks like. The floating banjo. I really tried saying English or Spanish. Why am I actually that dumb? Alright, time to see what this actually looks like. It's just weird. Does the crystal look different? Wait, is the crystal being lifted? Now where's this shark I've been hearing about? Oh, is that the shark? Because that's a pretty cool shark. Oh, this! Oh my! Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, wait. Oh, that's scary. No. I'm done. We're done. I'm getting the video here. Okay. Wait, just fish food? Wait, so gotta feed him? Matt? Oh, Matt, scuba deer. Here. Wait, could I ride the shark? It'd be pretty cool if I could. Oh, shark! I'm gonna call that shark Mark. Mark! You know, that's not dog. How do you get over here, mister? Shark! Can you ride it? I'm actually confused. You can ride it! Yo! Well, I'm your host, River, and I think I'm gonna end it at this one. Pretty short video, but I'm actually getting. Oh, wait, never mind. Looks like they use this place. Anyways, one thing I've noticed is that they're lifting up the crystal. But I'm your host, River, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.